This time, Redmi has truly created a flagship music phone. Don't believe it? Listen.
Is brave, the wound on your ear, yours.
Okay, this is the newly released Redmi K90 Pro Max. 3, 2, 1. Guess what color? This should be the main color this time, denim. Once you hold it, I believe you'll feel the same as I do. It really looks like denim jackets or jeans. The official name for this material is tech denim. I specifically took a close-up shot of the back cover material for everyone, and it feels quite rough to the touch. I guess it's for anti-slip purposes. At the top, there's a rectangular silver metal buckle with a BOSE inside, which is definitely a major selling point of the K90 Pro Max. The side also features a silver matte right-angle metal frame, but the transition to the back panel is very smooth, including the treatment of the joint with the back panel. I think it's really well done. How would you rate the appearance of this generation of Redmi? I'll show you a picture. Yes, you'll find that the K90 Pro Max fits in there seamlessly. We use ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking to light up the front screen. This is a 6.9-inch large L-corner flat screen. We don't want to talk about super pixels or M10's luminous materials. I just want to tell you this screen is the same as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. What's slightly different? That the chin is a little bit wider and it doesn't have LTPO. But it really looks as clear as the 17 Pro Max. Another key point is the feel of the phone. It also feels very much like the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. The difference is the back panel material feels different because I weighed it, and the tech denim color is 223 grams. Why not 220? Because the original manufacturer gave me a screen protector weighing 3 grams, which is very reasonable. After talking about the appearance, I think this phone has 3 major highlights. The first highlight is naturally its 2.1 channel 3 speaker system with dual 115F on top and bottom, just like the K90. On the back, they have a separate 2016 dual coil. You could call it a subwoofer. I think that should be fine. As for how strong it is, let me help you recall.
You walk into this joyful city, bringing all your dreams and thoughts.
Different faces with different makeup, no one remembers your appearance. To satisfy different users, BOSE tuning, Redmi also offers classic and balanced versions. And inside, there are 3D surround and clear vocals. Of course, you can also go into more settings for various customizations. Good speakers are not just for listening to music. They make watching dramas and browsing Douyin more comfortable. I think Redmi has nailed this skill point very well. The second highlight is the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Ultimate Edition. First we ran Genshin Impact and they would say everyone is on the same line, so why do you recognize it as a highlight? Because I kept Genshin Impact running in the background and continuously launched apps, I was surprised to find that Redmi hardly had any stuttering and didn't kill background apps much. How should I put this? Its competitors can't do it. I think using this to prove its strong cooling and performance is very reasonable. The third highlight is the camera. Usually with Redmi, we don't talk about this, just list the specs, but this year is different. Main camera, optical column, 950, watt level, same model as Xiaomi 17. There's even a 5x periscope telephoto. So next, everyone, all these sample photos you see are from the Redmi K90 Pro Max. So what level is it? In a word, even without Leica, the Xiaomi camera really has that feel. Oh, by the way, I also want to mention that Redmi offers many beautiful watermarks for you to choose from. As for other configurations, 100 watt fast charging, 7560 milliamp battery, 0825 linear motor, infrared, NFC, we won't go into those.
My summary of this phone is that at this price point, you need to have comprehensive features while also having a highlight that attracts users. I think the K90 Pro Max has achieved this. What do you all think?